how to fix Instagram couldn't refresh feed. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can fix Instagram couldn't refresh feed. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up the Play Store app on your mobile. Then search for Instagram on Play Store and check for Instagram updates if there is any update available or not. After that, go to Instagram settings and click on App Permissions and allow all permissions. After that, go back to Instagram settings main page and click on Storage. And click on Clear Data and Cache. Now restart your phone and check the error should be fixed. But if the problem still persists, you can report this error on Instagram and they'll assist you to fix the issue. So what you are going to do is open up the Instagram app and tap on the icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, click on these three lines and go to Settings. Over here, just scroll down to the bottom of the screen and click on Help. After that, click on Report a Problem, and here you can report your problem. So that's how you can fix Instagram couldn't refresh feed. That's all for this video.